Most coffee has a pH that is under 5. Oaza, however, is at 6.4, which is much closer to water, making it absolutely ideal for hydration. If you've ever had a night out where you might have indulged just a little bit too much, we have the absolutely perfect solution for you. So we are going to be making an awesome drink, cocktail, hangover, cure recipe, whatever you want to call it to make you feel better. But what I do assure you is that you're absolutely going to feel a lot better after having this. So here we're going to be using the Oaza Black, and we're just going to be putting it in our trusty mixer right here. So we're going to be using our full can. And now we're going to be adding some ingredients that are absolutely ideal for hydration and restoring nutrients and balance to your body after a pretty rough night. So we're now going to add 1 ounce of coconut milk. And coconut milk is ideal because it helps to restore the body's electrolytes and nutrients that you've probably lost a bit of. Next, we are going to add some turmeric. And so I know many of you have probably heard about turmeric, but turmeric is an amazing anti-inflammatory, helping to heal and restore also as well. You get the theme, right? All about healing and restoring. We're going to do a ½ teaspoon of turmeric. And because we want to pack this with as much punch as possible, we're going to also add some cinnamon. So we have some nice, delicious flavors here that are great for you and great tasting. A ½ spoon of cinnamon. And last but not least, to help replace your body with any glucose that might have been lost, we're going to do a full teaspoon of honey. And this is whatever honey you can get. If you get an organic honey, whichever one that is nice and full of nutrients and good ingredients. And then we are going to stir. And 4. Oh, so smells amazing and tastes absolutely refreshing. So all you need to do is visit drinkoaza.com, sign up for their newsletter, and receive 20% off your first order. Take care. Bye-bye.